Hi there to all you passionate teachers out there. This is Tian from the Abuti Academy, and today we have an instructional video on the 20-Minute Setswana online software. So to access the software, we're just going to click on this button. This takes you to the login page. So you just need to fill in your username and password, which we provide, and you press login. This takes you to the main page where you can watch an instructional video, which you're doing at this stage, or read some more instructions. We're going to skip this for now and go directly to the activity page. And this is where you will find all the content. It's super user-friendly. You have all the buttons at the top laid out for you. All you need to do is choose a lesson. So you go to the left and let's choose lesson 1 as an example. And then you choose whichever button to access whichever part of the lesson. So let's go to this little YouTube player first. It's main lesson. And press play for you to get an idea. Okay, and the idea is to actually follow along with the lesson as you listen through the material. So to do that, you just click on the workbook button and choose a lesson, and you can see that the lesson is well laid out for you. It's all written and transcribed, and in order for you to follow along as you listen to the lesson, you will have to press the download button here at the bottom. And that way you can get the content, the PDF, onto your computer and open it in a separate window and go through the work as you listen to the lesson. So we also added some audio files like dialogues and vocabulary recall, etc. To get to that, you just press this little dialogue button, the audio dialogue button, and I'm going to press greeting and play to give you an idea. Okay, and the same goes for the dialogues. If you want to follow along with the dialogues, you just press this green dialogue pages button and you'll see a PDF with the transcribed dialogue. Once again, if you want to follow along, you're going to have to download the page, all right, onto your computer, and in that way you can open the PDF while listening to the audio. So we've also included a grammar poster, which is quite a big file. So if it doesn't load the first time, just refresh if the internet isn't strong enough. Or what you can do is you can just download this grammar poster, which I've done prior to making this video to save some time. So on this grammar poster, you will see a lot of technical grammar, and don't feel overwhelmed because we do explain this in the lessons. And this will give you a good understanding of the grammar system of Setswana. And finally, we've added some extra games from the Abuti Syllabus. We've added the Setswana board game, which is also quite a big file. So I've downloaded that prior to this video as well. And you can see it's just a fun way to practice and assess your language skills. You can play it with a friend or with the kids to help them understand more as well. So I hope this has been useful, and I hope to see you soon and get your feedback on the 20-Minute Setswana language course.